What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to upscale videos to 4K on your PC. To do this, you'll need a video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere. And for this guide, we'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new sequence in 4K resolution. To do this, go to File, New, Sequence, and then select a 4K preset or manually set the resolution to 3840 by 2160. Now, import your 1080p video and drag it onto the timeline. Since the clip is in 1080p, it won't automatically fill the 4K frame, so we need to scale it up. Click on your video clip in the timeline to select it. Then go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Motion section, find the Scale option and increase the value until the video fills the entire 4K frame. A quicker way to do this is to right-click on the video in the timeline and select Scale to frame size. This will automatically adjust it to match the 4K resolution. Now your video is upscaled to 4K, but keep in mind that while this increases the resolution, it doesn't add extra detail. To enhance sharpness, you can apply a sharpen effect from the Effects panel, or use AI-based upscaling tools for even better results. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.